Hi viewers, welcome to LMS Solution. In today's video, we will see the MATLAB Simulink implementation of speed control of a BLDC motor using an H-infinity controller. This model consists of a controlled voltage source inverter, BLDC motor, Hall sensor based gate pulse generation and measurement blocks for stator current, back EMF, rotor speed and electromagnetic torque. To design the H-infinity controller, the first step is to identify the transfer function model of the BLDC motor. For that, we apply a step change in the input voltage of the controlled voltage source. In this example, the voltage is initially fixed at 300 V and then changed to 500 V at 1 second during a 2-second simulation. The motor speed response is collected as output and both input-output data are saved in the workspace. Next, we import these signals into the System Identification Toolbox. By selecting time domain data and defining the sample time properly, we estimate the BLDC motor transfer function. Different pole zero combinations can be tested, and here a second order model with 1 0 gives a good fitness of about 93.99%. After obtaining the continuous time transfer function, the plant is formed for H infinity synthesis. Using MATLAB commands, the H infinity controller is generated and converted into transfer function form. This controller is then implemented in the Simulink model by comparing the reference speed with the actual speed and producing the required control voltage. The simulation results show excellent speed tracking. The motor reaches 3000 rpm quickly without overshoot, and when the reference changes to 2000 rpm at 1 second, the response settles smoothly. This demonstrates the effectiveness of the H infinity controller for robust BLDC motor speed control.